everyone. If I told you that you could export the contact data from all the WhatsApp group you are added to into an Excel with just a single click, how would you feel? I'm sure you all would be excited. All of this is possible with Group Grabber. And today, I'm going to show you how you can use Group Grabber to export all your WhatsApp group contacts into Excel. And the cherry on the cake, I'll also tell you about a platform where you can do this completely free of cost. This is quite easy, and if you have a business, this tool will be very effective for you. See, these days, we spend so much money on advertising just to get a single lead. But in reality, we already have a large database that we don't even use properly. Just think about it. You must be a part of so many WhatsApp groups, and if you could get the contact numbers of each member of all the groups, how effective would your marketing campaign become, right? So without wasting any time, let's talk about Group Grabber. So what exactly is Group Grabber? Basically, it's a powerful tool that automatically extracts contact numbers from WhatsApp group and provides them to you in an Excel sheet. No matter how many WhatsApp groups you are part of, Group Grabber extracts the data of all the group members in just a few seconds. This tool instantly provides you with ready-to-use audience data for marketing. Now, let's talk about how to use this tool for free. First, you need to search for official.vokies.com. After that, click on Sign Up. Here, you need to fill in all the details and sign up. After signing up, you need to go to the Account Manager and click on Add WhatsApp Profile. Now, just like you can scan to log into WhatsApp Web, you need to scan here as well. After this, you need to click on WhatsApp Manager and then click on Group Grabber. Now, click on Select WhatsApp Account and choose your WhatsApp number. That's it. Now, the data list of all the groups you are added to will appear here. To export the data of any group, simply click on Download and the data will be exported. So, that's how you can use the Group Grabber for free. You can even log in multiple WhatsApp accounts and export the group data of all those accounts. So, this was all about the Group Grabber. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.